Hello students, here is our next session, Octopus Body. Yes, as you heard, our today's session's name is Octopus Body. So in this session, we are going to learn some interesting facts about octopus and learn to make our own octopus. So let's begin with our today's session called as Octopus Body. Yes, here we go. Now, octopus. All you have known about octopus. Octopus are sea animals. They live in the sea. They are famous for their rounded bodies, blinking eyes, eight long arms, and boneless creature. We all have seen the octopus in movies or cartoons or in TV on the Discovery Channel. Octopus lives under the deep sea. So, octopus is sea animal and octopus is famous for rounded body, blinking eyes, eight long arms and boneless creature. We all know that octopus has eight long arms, rounded body, blinking eyes and octopus is boneless creature. Now let's see some terminologies about octopus. Octopus is invertebrates type animal. Its diet is carnivorous, means it is non-veg or non-vegetarian. Octopus eats the other fishes, so it's the carnivore. Average lifespan for octopus is 1 to 2 years. Size of octopus is 12 to 36 inches and weight of octopus is 6.6 to 22 pounds. Let's see. In this picture, you can observe the octopus images. It has the rounded body, eight long arms, blinking eyes, and octopus doesn't have any bone. Octopus is boneless creature. Now, octopus is predominantly soft body with the exception of them possessing a small adapted skull housed over the eye cavity to protect the brain and beak. As we know, octopus is soft body animal and it possesses a small skull to protect the brain and beak. The very interesting fact about octopus is octopus has three hearts. As we human have only one heart, octopus contains such three hearts and the color of its blood is blue. Octopus blood color is blue. Octopus has three hearts and its body is soft. It content of the skull to protect the brain and beak. Now, the octopus vulgaris consists main of three parts. First one is arms or tentacles, second one is head, and third one is mantle. In this picture near this you can see there is the head, eyes, symphon, mantle, sucker and tentacles. We are going to see each part of octopus in details in the further slides. So let's see more detail about octopus body part. Now, the mantle. The mantle holds all the animal's internal organs, the most noticeable being the large muscular tube called the symphon and also the digestive system. The first one is mantle, holds all internal organs, means all the internal organs of octopus are held by the mantle, are included in the mantle. Now, the large muscular tube called symphon and also the digestive system comes under the mantle. Now, second one is head. The head houses the brain which provides the basis to the nervous system. It also consists of beak and the opening of symphysis. Now, the octopus head consider of nerve protects the brain and gives the basis to the nervous system. It also consists of beak and the opening of symphysis. Now, the third one is tentacles. The tentacles are the parts that contain most of the nervous system which aids the octopus locomotion and the other hunting and feeding strategies as well as for defense. So, octopus has three main parts: mantle, head, and tentacle. Here is the function of mantle as holds all the animal's internal organs, the most noticeable being the large muscular tube called symphysis and also the digestive system. Now, head, the house of the brain which provides basis to the nervous system. It also consists of beak and the opening of symphysis. Now, third one is tentacles. Tentacles are the parts that contain most of the nervous system which aids in the octopus locomotion and other hunting, feeding strategies as well as for defense. Now, tentacles are the biggest part as octopus has the 8 arms. So, the most nervous system is in the tentacles. Locomotion or the motion of octopus, hunting and feeding strategies are controlled by the tentacles as well as for defense octopus use their tentacles. Now let's make our own octopus. For this we require the material: old pair of white socks, cotton, markers and crayon, scissor, multicolored thick thread. As you can see, we required pair of white socks, cotton, multicolor threads, scissor, marker or crayon. Now, the procedure: stuff some cotton in an old socks and made the top appear circular as to the resemble circular head. In the first process, we are stuffing some cotton in old socks to make the circular head of octopus. Now, search for the image of octopus and make the head look like the real one. Once you stuff the cotton in the socks and make it circular, search for the image and make the head look like the real one. Tie a knot at the open end of the socks and attach multicolor threads to it. Now tie a knot to the open end of the socks and attach multicolor threads to it so it can be the tentacles of the octopus, and place it as a suitable place in your room. Here we have made our own octopus. So what is the procedure? I am repeating it again. Stuff some cotton in the old socks and make the top appear circular as so that resemble the circular head. Search for the image of octopus and make the head look like a real one. Tie a knot at the open end of the socks and attach the multicolored thread to it. These multicolored threads perform as the tentacles. Now place it in the suitable place in your room. Now here is a think time. Can aquatic animals fly in the air? So our today's question is, can aquatic animals fly in the air? It is common that aquatic animals live in the water. So the answer for this question is, not all aquatic animals fly in the air, but Some aquatic species have also evolved to acquire this gliding flight ability, typically as a means of evading predators. Means, as we know, aquatic animals don't fly, but there are some special species, aquatic species, they have acquired gliding flight ability. Typically, it means they can fly, glide a flight to catch their predators. As we know, not all aquatic animals fly in the air, but yes, there are some aquatic species which evolved to acquire this gliding flight abilities. So, species like flying cod or flying fish or freshwater hetchy fish can fly. Species like flying cod or flying fish or freshwater hatchet fish can fly in the water. Thank you.